Hi everybody! Did you know there's a special day to celebrate music all over the world? It's International Music Day! I love music. I love listening to my favorite songs at home, playing instruments, and even going to concerts where musicians are playing right in front of you. Music can help you feel excited and get you moving. Music can help you feel comforted when you're feeling sad. Music can even help you feel calm and relaxed when you're feeling stressed. International Music Day is meant to bring people together all over the globe to celebrate the world's different musical styles and the people who play them. There are lots of ways to celebrate this holiday. You could write a song, listen to your favorite band, or even research a new style of music from somewhere in the world you'd like to know more about. I'm so grateful for all the different kinds of music out there, and I'm excited to keep exploring. Happy International Music Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.